Hi everyone, Shane with Eurotech. Today we're going to talk about the battery replacement. If you guys go on leave, a holiday or something of that, and you're going to have the machines off for a while, it's always good to change out the batteries. You should change them out once a year on the machine batteries for all of your axis, right? So this stores or keeps your zero reference positions. So they're basically, we use standard alkaline batteries, LR20s. You can buy them at a gas station. They're D-size batteries. They go in these boxes. There's going to be 4 in each box, and that's going to keep your drives. It's going to keep the memory good on them. I know we got holidays coming up, and Christmas is always a good one. After that, I always get a bunch of calls saying that, hey, we lost our axis position. Whenever we change the batteries, before we change the batteries, we make sure that all axes are at their reference position. So make sure as everything is zeroed out, all of your reference lights are on, and set your tool stations to station 1 in the cutting position. You also have your CNC batteries. Now, you only need to change these every 3 years. So if you come around to the back here, you can see it points out where our battery is. We got our 2 fans and then our batteries here. And again, anytime you change out batteries, you do it with the power on. You never do it with the power off. If you change out the machine batteries with the power off, you're going to lose all your axes positions, right? So you're going to have to reset all of your references. If you pull the CNC battery with the control off, you've lost everything on the memory. So it would be a complete reload of the control. So just keep in mind, change your batteries.